Shall I start? Okay, good morning Manipur. And we love you Manipur. We love Darjeeling people, very much to Manipur people. I am from Darjeeling and this is my first visit to Manipur. We are praying for Manipur still and we will pray for in future. And whatever I heard in Darjeeling, it has come absolutely reverse or opposite. So when we were on the way, we were very afraid. And my families, my own children, they are saying, Papa, be careful. There is riots is still going on. Very, very careful. When we on the way, so that same sense we had. But I thanks to God, what the peace is coming to us Manipur is a very good sign. And I ask to the people of Manipur, please bring peace in midst of you. See, yesterday we had visited so many relief camps and humans, they were weeping. Children also. So many children, they had fallen in sick. So we, being a human being, I also touched my heart and my tears rolled from my eyes. So this is my humble request to the Manipuri people. Please, please, please try to bring the peace. And I request to central government also, bring them in one table to be negotiation, to be in sound discuss, whatever they need. To central government, you have to fulfill their demands. So, being a pastor, I'm a pastor, I'm from Darjeeling, and I'm a president of my society. So, I request to Manipur, please come to one stream, bring your state in peace, and I request, I do hope that we'll bring the peace over here. And next time, if we got the time to come in Manipur, we'll visit so many relief camps. And yesterday, what we found over there, some of the Meiteis relief camp we had visited over there. So we found whatever they said, I found they are innocent, means they are innocent. I don't know actually, but according to their voice, I found them innocent. But this is our prayer. We love you, and we are supposed to help you more. Whatever we have found some needs and some requirement we have collected. We are going to share. I am going to share these things to my community people, to my churches. In days to come, we will available to help you for the Manipur people. And finally, I want to say this, we'll pray for you and God may bring peace in your place wherever all the Manipurese people have to come to the peace stream. That's my final suggestion, and we love you very much. We love you very much. We are the people of Darjeeling also. We are praying for you. Always we are keeping you in our prayer. So God may help you, God may bless you. And those who have lost their dearest and nearest one, God may heal your wound. And we know that you have been wounded, but your wounds will be healed by the God. There's only one God who can heal your wound. So, thank you. Thank you for ISTV, Tom TV, ETV, MES TV. You allowed me to share my experience, whatever I had collected yesterday visit. So, we have to visit today also, and wherever we go, we will try to find out the truth. And one thing Bible has said in the book of John chapter 8, 23 verse, the truth shall make you free. सत्य आपको स्वतंत्र करेगा. So keep this verse and God will make you free. Thank you. Thank you. I do hope that there will be good for you. Good for you, Manipur people. God is going to bless you in days to come. Thank you.